Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, news has been in that Londie London's ex-lover Sphamandla Mabonga, he is a businessman, that he has been allegedly involved in a fatal shootout at Solo. This is a restaurant or a bar or a club in Sandton. It is said that his two bodyguards were shot and they were unalived, you guys. And it is also said that Sphamandla Mabonga himself, that he has lost his life as well, you guys. Now, Mabonga, it is said that he forced his entrance at the Solo restaurant or Solo bar or club after being banned. And there's some alleged reports that are saying, Wuti, that this is not the first time. Apparently, there's a number of other bars, you guys, or nightclubs where he's been banned and he has forced himself into those places, and it turns out into, this horrific scene where guns are being pulled out. Now, it is alleged, guys, Wuti, this guy is has been a hijacker, and he has been gifting Londie London hijacked cars. That is alleged as well, you guys. Now, you'd remember after Londie London saga with her baby daddy, this guy, she came out public with a relationship with this guy. Now, some people are saying, guys, why are you guys dragging Londie London into Sphamandla's case and whatnot? Like, why you guys think she was involved in and benefiting from the stuff or the type of work he was doing? And I get it, you guys, but at the same time, we never knew, some of us, we never knew about this guy up until Londie London was seen standing next to him. And that's why I guess the association or her name is being mentioned, even though this person is, no more. Or maybe even she was no longer even with this guy. But anyway, guys, that's to say, would you kapelani? Because sometimes, you involve yourself with people and people become somebody's through your name. Now her name is coming out, guys. Now this guy's business is coming out. Wuti, he was allegedly a hijacker doing shady business, and now it's starting to look like Londie. She was involved in those things, and she was willingly involved in those things. But anyway, guys, I have not seen Londie posting anything in connection to this, which is fair if it's her ex. I mean, which is fair because Zaibo Yanungenapi type of business. But anyway, guys, rest in peace to the guy. Hey, guys, sometimes they say if you're going to live by the gun, you are going to be unalived by the gun. So guys, please be careful there. When they ban you in places, please benega now, because sometimes you can't live this life thinking you the big shot just because you've got guns, you've got bodyguards. You're going to meet your size one day. But anyway, we're going to park it by saying rest in peace, Sphamandla. Guys, tell me what your thoughts are on the story. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.